Alright, the purpose of this lab is to install a USB devices. So first we want to connect the USB hub to the computer. This is so we expand hubs on the shelf and drag the external USB hub till we get the vertical yellow rectangle and then release it. Right, and if we, let's see, we can see here that the USB hub will help us out when we have to connect many USB devices. This one has 4 in the front, and we can see in the back there is a connector. Okay, in the overview, fine. Specifications. It provides a 100 milliamp per port when relying on bus power or 500 milliamp per port when the hub is self-powered. Okay, good to know. All right, so we want to connect the USB hub to the computer. So let's look at its connector on the back. Closer, right? You can see on the back, looks like that. Oh, that. What about that? That looks promising. Let's give that a try. USB Mini B. Let's see if that works. Good, that worked. So let's go to the back of the computer, and there are some USB Type A connectors. So let's drag to USB. Now the USB hub is connected to the computer. So let's go to the front of the USB hub. So we have all these ports to connect. And let's start connecting devices. Like let's connect the inkjet printer. The inkjet printer. Probably use this. Let's go to the back to find the connector. That looks like a square D-shaped USB to A. So let's click on that. And we can see that that shape is a match. That's the USB Type B connector. Right, so we'll drag this end here, and this end we will connect to the USB hub. Alright, so now that printer should be connected. Now let's do laser printer, which I think is, that is our laser printer. So let's go to the back of the laser printer, and it looks like it's USB Type B also. Alright, same as with the other printer. Right, that appears to be a match. So let's drag this connector here, and this end we will connect to the USB hub, right there. Now we want, now that we've connected the laser printer, we're going to connect the scanner. So we'll find the scanner. There's the scanner. Go to the back of the scanner. That looks like a USB Type B also, so we'll select that. Same as for the printers, right? You can see the shape. It appears to be a match. So we'll drag there to connect that. And we'll grab the other end, which is USB Type A, and return to the USB hub and connect the scanner there. And last but not least, we want to connect the external hard drive to the USB port. So we'll expand hard drives and take the external hard drive to the workspace by dragging it until we see the yellow vertical rectangle. We'll release it. The external hard drive, let's look at the back. Okay, and we can see a connector there. Let's look at our cables. And this looks like a Mini B, right? That is what that USB Mini B vertical connector is, and that appears to be that shape. So we'll drag the USB Mini B connector to the external hard drive and the USB Type A connector to the USB hub. Okay, let's click on Score Lab to check our work. Great, thank you.